All right, now let's ingest different data types. Let's say semi-structured data types we have, like JSON. As usual, we'll go to new, upload data. Next, we'll upload to our volume. Let's click on browse, select files, and we'll browse from our local computer. Now let's browse our events, which is basically a JSON file. I'll double click. Now let's select our demo volume. Please make sure the path is correct, otherwise SQL query won't run. I'll click on upload. And there we go. We got a green tick mark that events JSON is uploaded. I'll go to now SQL editor. Let's click on SQL query. Now first things first, let's choose the correct schema, which is our demo schema. Now, as mentioned previously, for copy into, it needs one delta table which should already exist. So we are creating here first the table if it doesn't exist, and the table name will be data type demo. Let's first create the table, and we got okay. That being said, the table should be now ready. If I query here, we can see there is no data here. Now let's ingest the data, that is our JSON. Let's run our copy into. We'll click on run now. It says number of affected rows is 2. Let's now run the select asterisk from data type demo, which is our table for storing semi-structured data. And there we go. We can see our semi-structured data got ingested in the table named data type demo. So that's what is all about. So we got to choose the correct data type for the ingestion. For semi-structured, we can use copy into, just like the structured data type we use, right? So that's what it goes. Thank you so much. Let's meet in our next lecture.